Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just do not think that it is possible because you're broke or because you don't have money in your bank account? Guess what? In today's video, I'm going to share with you exactly how you can travel to France for free. If this is something that you are interested in, just don't even touch the dial. Keep on watching this video all the way till the very end. And if you're new here on this channel, please introduce yourselves. I want to know you. What is your name and where are you watching from? And this is my virtual handshake from me to you. What do you do for a living and how did you find my video? Let me know in the comments. And to all returning subscribers, I want to say thank you. You guys are the best. Thank you for all that you do. I see you guys and I truly appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. God bless you. Thank you for always sharing me out. Thank you for always clicking on the share button, to share my videos every time you watch. Thank you. I see all of you and I really, really acknowledge and I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. And if you're seeing me for the very first time, let me also go ahead and introduce myself while you introduce yourselves as well. So guys, my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer, and on this channel, yes, I'm a fashion designer. That's one of my pieces. And on this channel, I share 3 videos every week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. You can also, yes, make sure that you turn on the notification bell so that you get notified every single time. I've introduced myself. Now, yeah, introduce yourself. I am waiting for you in the comments. Without further ado, let's get right into today's business. So come with me, guys. Let's go. Let's go. So, besties, have you heard of the Eiffel Excellence Scholarships in France? Do you know that you can get a fully funded master's degree in France through the Eiffel Excellence Scholarship? So guys, bonjour, future global leaders. Do you want to study in France without worrying about tuition and you want to live immersed in the culture and innovation while learning French? Guys, the Eiffel Excellence Scholarship is France's prestigious award for top international students that are pursuing master's and PhD programs across French universities. Guys, it is actually launched by the French Ministry and Ministry for Europe and Foreign Affairs. The Eiffel Scholarship supports outstanding non-European students in fields like engineering, fields like business, law, political science. With only a few hundred awarded every single year, it is among the most competitive and prestigious scholarships worldwide. And in case you're wondering what is included, it includes a monthly stipend of 1,181 euros, travel allowance, health insurance, cultural activities, allowance. Guys, university tuition is not included, but many institutions waive it for Eiffel scholars or offer additional financial help. Guys, if you're eligible, you are eligible if you are under the age of 30, if you're applying for a master's or PhD, if you hold an academic record showing excellence, if you are not a French citizen, you can apply. If you are applying to a recognized French institution nominated by your university, and here are some tips for you to stand out. First, in your application, first thing you need to do is to highlight your leadership potential and your educational excellence. Some of you will say, "Oh, I don't have experience." What about you when you helped in church, when you helped in your school, maybe you were a class rep? You highlight all of these things. They count. I kid you not. Or how you supported or helped out, in your hostels. Highlight all of the leadership qualities that you've ever demonstrated in times past. Yes, so and current, put it in your application. You're welcome. So don't even sleep on it. Start preparing now. Oh yeah, prepare your documents and coordinate with both your own university and France's campus, the foreign service office like Campus France. Then here is the final push. Guys, if you have the ambition to pursue a top tier program in France, make sure that you don't miss FL. Yes, don't miss this opportunity. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, do well to share this video with your friends. I've done all the homework for you. I'll put the link to this opportunity in my description, so go and check it out right now. Go and do that today, because honestly, watching this video doesn't translate to you winning a scholarship. You have to also take the bold step by applying. You need to actually put in your own details. You need to apply so that they know that you're interested and they can extend an offer to you, offer you a scholarship. But if you don't say it, if you don't share, people will not know. I mean, the schools in question will not consider you for an opportunity. So yes, go ahead and check it out today. And in case you've been thinking of studying abroad or traveling abroad, but you don't think it's possible, you don't know how to go about it, congratulations to you. You have landed on the right channel, because right here on this channel, I share with you various opportunities. Here on this channel, we are opening our minds. We are opening everybody to available opportunities worldwide every single day. Guys, if you really want to live, explore, and study at no cost, this channel is here to support you. And if you would like to also book a one-on-one consultation with me, I am open. Yes, before now, I think a couple of months back, I'm like, no, I don't want to consults, but I want to help as many people as much as possible. Some people like they want privacy, they want someone that has been there, done that. I mean, I studied here in United States. I got my master's degree here in business, and I can assist you if you have any questions for me or you need a way to navigate these processes. I'm here to support you. But first, you have to join my Patreon community. You can find the link in my description, or you can join my channel membership. You can find the join button right next to the subscribe button right here. And if this feels like your next big step, don't even sleep on it. Make sure that you join my memberships, and then you can book a one-on-one consultation with me. I am here to support you. And if you're thinking about studying abroad or traveling abroad, but you don't know how to go about it, or you think it's just about going to study, there are a lot of opportunities, a lot of benefits, advantages that it also comes with. And in my next video, I'm going to share with you exactly how you can also travel to China, how you can travel there for free. And I have a lot of scholarships that I've discovered, and I am here to share every single one of them with you guys right here on this channel. So guys, and I'll tell you this for free, if you're considering studying abroad, I want to tell you today that beyond academics, studying abroad is a game changer for building powerful global network. And here are some of the reasons why. It introduces you to diverse connections, because studying abroad connects you with peers, with professors and professionals from different cultures and industries. These relationships can also open doors to international career opportunities for you. You also get global perspectives, because engaging with diverse viewpoints, it helps to enhance your own adaptability and cultural intelligence. You also get skills that employers value in today's interconnected world. You also get access to the alumni network, because universities abroad, most of them have very strong alumni communities. You can tap into these networks, and it can lead to mentorships for you, internships, and even job prospects. You also get access to events and collaborations. I mean, from international conferences to campus clubs, you will have countless opportunities to network with industry leaders and like-minded peers. You also get career boosts, because relationships built abroad can translate into recommendations. You also get partnerships or even startup collaborations in the future. Guys, studying abroad is not just about the degree. I said that before. It's about building a network that spans the globe. Now, are you ready to take the leap to the next level, that leap of faith? Go ahead and click on the link in my description, and do well to share this video with your friends as well. Are you going to be applying for this opportunity? Let me know in the comments. I'm here. I want to support you as much as I can. And if you want to book a one-on-one consultation, don't forget to join my Patreon community, or you join my channel membership. And of course, I will see you in my next video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave it in the comments. I will get back to you. Yes, my team does not handle comments. I handle the comments by myself. I want to read from every single one of you, and I meant it when I said I'm building a community, genuine community here on this channel. Till I see you in my next video, take care of yourselves and bye for now. Love you. Bye guys.